have to attend the DentalWorld because the program of the Congress is really amazing, you know, all with top speakers, and also because you can find all the stuff that you may need in your daily practice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am Andrea Franzo. I'm from Italy, from Trieste, a small town in the northeast of Italy. So it's really a great pleasure to be back in Budapest for lecturing about one of my favorite topics. And you know, the first time I attend the DentalWorld, and it's really a huge space, very amazing event. We have, you know, a lot of industries, the exhibition part. I checked the program of the Congress, and it's really impressive. So, and the exhibition, well, because you can see how the speaker work with different types of materials, and in the meanwhile you can immediately check and talk with the industries about the product, about the stuff you can touch with your hands, immediately the product that you may have see on the screen. So I think this is the main advantage of this kind of events. Well, I will talk about the restorative materials and the restorative solution between conservative and prosthetic. So I start talking about the posterior, then I move to the anterior part, and so we'll try to point out different tricks to figure out in different clinical situations. I will do a live demo in which I will prepare for an onlay restoration. That is one of the topic of my lecture. So that's it. You have to attend the DentalWorld because the program of the Congress is really amazing. You know, all with top speakers, and also because you can find all the stuff that you may need in your daily practice here, and you can check and touch with your hands all the products, I think.